In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud Drive on your iPhone and iPad with an in-depth understanding of how to sync your files. Let's dive right in. First up, we need to ensure iCloud Drive is enabled on your device. To do this, start by heading over to your Settings app. Once you're there, tap on your name right at the top. This section houses all the settings related to your Apple ID, iCloud and device management. From here, locate and tap on iCloud. Now within the iCloud settings, scroll down until you find iCloud Drive. All you need to do here is toggle the switch on to activate iCloud Drive. This simple switch essentially opens up a gateway to all your files across any Apple device you own. Now that we've got iCloud Drive enabled, let's move on to accessing the files stored there. For this, we'll use the Handy Files app, which comes pre-installed on all iPhones and iPads. Go ahead and open the Files app. Once inside, look towards the bottom of the screen and tap on Browse. This will lead you to several locations where your files might be stored. For our purpose, choose iCloud Drive. In the iCloud Drive section, you'll now see a display of all your synced files and folders. Everything appearing here is stored securely in iCloud, meaning it's accessible not only from your iPhone and iPad, but also any other Apple device signed into your account. This is a great way to keep your documents, photos, and other files organized and at your fingertips at all times. Now that you can view your files, what about adding new files to your iCloud Drive? Let's take a look at uploading files. Stay on the Files app, tap on Browse, and then select iCloud Drive once again. To upload, look for the plus icon or an option that says Upload. Tapping this will allow you to upload files from your device or various apps directly into iCloud Drive. As a bonus, any files you save here will automatically sync across all devices logged in with your Apple ID. This means any change, whether it's adding, editing or deleting a file on one device, will reflect on all others almost instantly. It's a seamless experience designed to keep your digital life synchronized and stress-free. And there you have it. With just a few taps, you've learned how to enable iCloud Drive, access your synchronized files, and upload new files to keep everything tidy and accessible across all your Apple devices. Whether you're a student, professional, or someone who simply enjoys having their files within reach, understanding iCloud Drive can make your daily digital tasks a breeze. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newfound ease in file management.